Hi everybody, my name is Mrs. D. I am a science teacher at Gilbert Willey Elementary School, and I'm joined here by my assistant, Miss Amber Guthrie, my sister. So today we're going to be talking about dry ice and actually doing a couple experiments with them. But first off, I want to talk about what is dry ice. Now, in here I have a glass of regular ice that's melted a little bit. Now with regular ice, it is made out of water, H2O. And when we add that heat energy, it melts and turns into water. And if we add even more, then it turns into gas and gets evaporated, hence the water cycle. But dry ice, as you can see in my container here, is a lot colder, and it's not made out of water. It's made out of carbon dioxide, CO2, and it has a lot of different properties. Now, the air is a lot heavier, so instead of it evaporating out, it sits for a little bit under our already warm air. So if I were to light a match, now don't do this at home without an adult present, if I were to light a match, I stick it in the water, my match still burns. I have to stick it completely in the glass for our match to go out, and for the fire to go out. But if I did it with my dry ice over here, come on, over here, I stick it in without even touching it. All that cold air douses my flame because there's no oxygen for my flame to survive. That's why a lot of y'all know about the fire extinguisher. It is made out of a CO2 component. That way it douses the flame a lot easier than just pouring regular water. So, enough with the science. Let's actually be able to do an experiment. And here's an experiment every single one of y'all can do at home. But first off, because my kids very well know, safety first. For this experiment, you are going to need a clean area to do the experiment with. You're going to need safety equipment like our goggles. Got to keep those eyes safe. And because we're working with dry ice and it's very cold, you need thick protection gloves. Now, I got these at Walmart. They're just a couple of bucks. The thick rubber leather gloves. If your parents have some at home, they can. What also works is oven mitts. Those are absolutely amazing. So you need your safety equipment. We got our safety equipment. We are safe. Hair is pulled back. Nothing dangling jewelry. We are safe. The next ingredients are just 3 things you need. You need first a warm bowl of water, as we have here, and a little bit of dish soap. This is very concentrated. You can use any kind of dish soap, just some dish soap. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix our dish soap in just like that. Very, very simple. And our last component, if you have not guessed already, is dry ice. Now, we can get dry ice. I got this at Kroger. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at any grocery store. It's a Penguin dry ice. That's where you get your ice stuff. And we're going to take a chunk. So, Miss Amber, if you want to go ahead, stick your hand in, grab a chunk. Grab a chunk. She's going to grab a chunk. I'm going to try to grab a chunk. I got a chunk, and we're going to put it in the water. So this person to see what happens next. Ready? And they make bubbles. We call these bubble worms, honestly, because it's going to flow out. But when you touch these bubbles, watch what happens. It creates a gas. Now again, that gas is very heavy, so it sinks down, as you can see here, sinks down to the very, very bottom. But it's a really cool effect. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. Look, it creates a little cloud. It's so heavy. And so once you get to spin, you can have some fun, play with it. It makes lots of bubbles. But make sure you're always wearing those gloves because these are very, very cold bubbles. But thank you so much for joining me for the experiment. Have a great day and enjoy your dry ice.